Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to comment GIFs on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, you have to make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. So let's go to App Store or Play Store if you're using an Android phone. And let's just search Instagram and open Instagram page. If you see an update button, just click on it and Instagram will update and click open. Once you're already on your Instagram app, just look for a post that you want to comment on and tap on view all comments. And at the text box below on the right side, you will see the GIF icon and just click on that. And from here, you may easily search and choose for a specific GIF that you want to comment. Just take note that when you tap on the GIF, it will automatically be posted. And that's it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!